we're off to a new adventure. So I'm meeting up with the boys. We're going to Wheels Through Time Museum, and then we're gonna head out for lunch and then a nice ride afterwards. But I'm actually running a little late, but I know there's cops radaring up ahead. There's like a Camaro event going on today and tomorrow, I think, in Maggie Valley. So this should be interesting. And I had to go back with my GoPro because my freaking camera fell again. I had my camera on the tripod, my Insta360, and it scratched the damn lens guard. So that's why I'm back on the GoPro for right now. Oh, look at that Camaro! Oh yeah, nice first gen. So Ted's already at the museum. I'm waiting on Ralph and Javier. Ralph's got the 1000 Suzuki naked bike, like a Street Fighter, and Ted's on the XSR 900 naked bike, Yamaha. Man, there's a lot of bikes there. And then let's see, Javier's on his Ninja 1000. It's a ZX10R, I think it's called. So this should be a nice, interesting turnout. And Jeff's gonna meet up with us later after the museum. He doesn't want to go, so whatever. But it should be fun. Oh, there it is. I think I passed it. Yep, I gotta turn around. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna turn around right here. I gotta find Ted. He's on a pearl white Yamaha with high-vis orange. There's the bridge he's talking about, the cross. Oh damn, there's a lot of bikes. There's Ted. He's over there. Alright, so this ought to be interesting. Oh man, I love that shirt. Nice. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Nice shirt, dude.
Running up. Thank you.
What happened?
See you, man. I said you know, dude, we're running out of parking spaces.
Oh shit.
All these dudes just got here.
Javier and Ralph are on their way too, so I thought they would have been here by now, but I guess those bikes can't keep up with Yamahas, you know.
Dude, I think you can keep up with us.
Shit. Oh man. Damn, there's a lot of bikes here.
I know.
I must have passed like 100 bikes.
Dude, it's insane. I took the Parkway.
Yeah.
Pretty cool ride. It was cold.
Oh shit.
I got down here and I started sweating. I was like literally within 5 minutes.
Yeah.
How cold it is.
Holy crap. You got some nice bikes here.
Well.
Yeah.
Everything but the Harleys.
Yeah. Alright guys, now we're off to Legends. I think it's a barbecue place, I'm not sure, but let's go and get some food. Oh, that's a cool truck. Legends Bar and Grill. Let's go check it out. bikes out today. It's a little chilly actually. The wind's a little crispy. Damn, Javier and Ralph are getting on it. I just realized something. Javier, Ralph, and Ted, all three of them, they have fucking quick shifters on their bikes. Cheating asses. Ooh, dang, it's getting cold up here, man. It's nice and beautiful, nice and sunny, but fuck, the wind's cold as shit. The higher you go, the fucking colder it's getting. So we're meeting up at Water Rock Knob again, right here. And Ralph and Javier are already there. There they are. Shit, I hope it doesn't rain. I didn't bring my rain liner. Of course. Where the hell did he go? Oh, he's on this side. Alright. What's up, Ted? God, it wasn't supposed to rain today.
No, it was like this yesterday.
Dang.
Bro,
Yeah, this place is awesome.
hauling ass, bro.
Well, so far it ain't raining. That's good. Damn. It is chilly. Whew. Shit. Oh my god, I love this bike. It's so torquey. Coming out of a corner is so much fun. Oh shit, forgot to zip up my jacket. There we go. Hopefully I got this camera angled pretty good. I'm not too sure. It's hard to tell with the GoPro. Right around here is where we saw that bear last time. A big ass bear. Luckily it was just a black bear, but still. Oh my gosh, I love this bike so much. Damn, these turns are ridiculous. Shit. Oh, girl. Come on, girl. Woo! Shit. Thank God for these ABS. Oh my gosh, dude. These roads are nuts. Fucking love it. Ran into a whole bunch of Harleys up here. Some RX-8 just went by and gave us the whole flash in the headlights. So I guess there's a cop up here somewhere. Maybe. Guess we'll find out. Oh yeah, there he is. Damn. Wonder if I was the only one.